Hello guys, today I'll show you how to send crypto from Kraken to Binance. Firstly, once logged in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard where you can buy, sell, or make changes to your payment methods. Make sure you're ready to receive the crypto on Binance. Navigate to the wallet section on Kraken to view your crypto balances and select the asset you want to withdraw. For this tutorial, we'll use Tether USDT as an example. In Binance, go to Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Choose the appropriate network and copy the Binance wallet address using the QR code or copy icon. Go back to Kraken and in the Withdrawal section, click Add a wallet address. Pass the Binance wallet address you copied and you can add a description to the address for future reference. Click Add Withdrawal Address. Kraken will send you a verification email to confirm the new address. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be aware of the transaction fees, and once you're satisfied with the details, just click Withdraw to complete the transaction. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.